Hello and welcome back to another stitch tutorial from SandraStitches, and today we are going to be learning the block stitch. Now this is a really very simple stitch you can use for any project you want. It's very airy, it's very simple, and as you can see I used here two colors to emphasize this stitch, but you can definitely work it with one color. You can also alternate and work different colors every couple of rows. It all depends on you. I just wanted to show how it looks with one color and with two colors. So let's get started. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will need multiples of 3 plus 2. So we start chaining the length or the width that you need for your project. So 3, 3, 3, another 3, and 2. 1, 2. Row number 1, we start with a double crochet on the 5th chain from the hook. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th, we work 1 double crochet. Okay, so we have 4 chains and then 1 double crochet. And we work 1 double crochet in each chain for this foundation row. This is the first row of the pattern. It's a foundation row. So 1 double crochet on each chain across to the end of your chain. Just calculate how many chains you need for your project in multiples of 3 and then plus 2. So 1 double crochet across to the end of the row. Now I'm working with one color here, but as you can see in my sample, you can work with different colors if you want to change colors, or just change color at the end of the row. So this is row number 1. We are not going to chain, we are just going to turn our work and work 1 single crochet on top of the last double crochet from the previous row, our first stitch here, 1 single crochet. And then we'll work 1 single crochet in between these 2 stitches, the first and the second, in between, 1 single crochet. So we have 1 single on top of the last stitch and 1 single in between. Now chain 2, skip 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and in between the third and the fourth, in between, 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, in between, 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip 1, 2, 3. Now I am at the end of my row, so I have 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet in between, and 1 single crochet on top of the third chain. So if you remember, we started on the 5th, so we have here 4 chains. 1 single crochet in one chain and 1 single crochet on top of the third chain. And this is row number 2. For row number 3, we chain 3. This is our first double crochet and turn our work. And we will work 3 double crochet. We'll skip the second single crochet here and work in the chain 2 spaces 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We don't chain, we don't do anything. we have the first chain 3 and go straight to the chain 2 space and work 3 double crochet, and go straight to the next chain 2 space and work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and all the way across to the end of your row. This is a small sample, so it goes fast because it's just for the tutorial, but it depends on the length of your project. 3, and then remember we have these 2 single crochet from the beginning. We'll work 1 double crochet on the last stitch. We'll skip that one in between, and we work 1 double crochet on the last one. And this is row number 3. So this is the repeat rows number 2 and number 3. We don't chain, we just turn our work, 1 single crochet on top of the last stitch. And now it's going to be much easier. 1 single crochet in between the last stitch and the 3 double crochet here, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet between the 3 double crochet clusters, chain 2, let me get some yarn, and again skip the cluster and 1 single crochet in between, chain 2, 1 single crochet. This is my last stitch, so 1 single crochet in between and 1 single crochet on top of the chain 3. Now chain 3, turn, and again this is a repeat, so we jump straight to the chain 2 space and work 3 double crochet, and this is it. Row number 2 and row number 3 are the row repeats for this stitch. It's beautiful and really easy stitch. Another 3 double crochet cluster here, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and we finish with 1 double crochet on top of the last single crochet, and this is it. As you can see, this is the block stitch. This is one color, and you can use 2 colors. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.